In this video, we'll be learning something related to HTML where we will understand the concept of superscript and subscript. So let's begin with the video. I will click on the start button and then open Notepad. Okay, and I will write down the structure of the HTML. So it starts with HTML. We won't be using title. I'll be just jumping to the body section and give the content related to body. So this will be the structure for our HTML right now. Okay, now inside body, like we want to move something up, like let's say we have a base value and a power value. I want to write x square. So the 2 which is a little bit up than the x is the basically the power value of x. So for that in HTML we need to use superscript. I would recommend you to remember this superscript as Superman. So whatever goes up, it's like Superman flies, so it's going up. So it's a superscript. And submarine for subscript. So when you are going, submarine goes down, so it goes underwater, so it is subscript, so it will go down. So let's start with first superscript. So I will write X and then I will write down SUP, that's the tag for making the content in the power value or little bit higher than the normal content and sub. So what I will do is I will save the file on the desktop. Now let's say this is 6ap5.html. This is my file name which I am keeping and that should be on the desktop. So I need to see that this path is this PC and desktop, and then I will click on it. Once it is saved, I will be able to see the file 6ap5. Here it is. I will double click on it, and here the web browser is loading. Once the web browser loads, we will be able to see the output. So I will just increase the size. So when you are, yeah. So here you can see the difference. What I will do is I will first remove the superscript tag, save the file again. Okay, go to the browser and refresh it. So here you can see the difference. Now it is in the same line, but I don't want to keep it in the same line, so I'm using superscript. So I will write down SUP, save the file. I will divide it into two screen and refresh it. So here you saw the difference. It's going a little bit up than the normal content. Now this was superscript. Now we are moving to the subscript. I will be using BR tag. Let's assume that I need to write down a chemical formula for water, that is H2O, and the 2 value is coming at the lower than the H. Okay, so I will write down H2 and O. Now this 2 needs to come lower than H. So first I will save and show you the output. So it's coming like this. I don't want it like that. The 2 should be little bit lower. So I will use subscript. Now to remember subscript, you can remember submarine. Submarine goes underwater, so that's basically going lower. So I will write down sub sub and then sub close and save the file, refresh it. So now you can see the difference. It's little bit lower than the H and O. That's how it works. Now remember one thing, if in the practical you forgot to close this tag, if you are making a mistake where you have not written this tag, what exactly will happen is all the content which is after the superscript will go up. I will just show you an example how it will be, and I will remove the BR also, that it will make you understand how exactly it will look like. So it will come like this. So it is X in the normal line, then my superscript has started and it is not ended, so all my content is coming on the top value of the X. So that's how it will be making a difference. So remember, whenever you open a tag in HTML, you need to close it just after it's done. So I will just close it SUP, and then I will write down the BR tag. I will save the file, refresh it. This is all for the HTML, where we had to learn all the tags which are there for this academic year. And if there's something more which I want to show you, I will just upload it in the channel. Okay, and I hope you have understood this thing. Follow me for the next content, and we'll be uploading very soon related to the PPT, PowerPoint presentation, and this Scratch. Okay, see you in the next session. Bye bye, take care.